Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly the iOS 15 settings you need to turn off. First, you need to open your iPhone settings. Look for the option General and select the option General. You can tap any option and change the settings as you want to change. Go back to the settings menu. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode, search for the option Change Passcode and tap it. Enter your current passcode and enter the new passcode. You can change passcode options like 4-digit passcode if you need a short passcode. After entering the new passcode, it asks you to verify it. You can also change or reset your Face ID. Go back to your settings menu. Look for the option Screen Time and tap it. You will see the option Screen Distance. Tap on it. Tap on Continue and again Continue. Toggle off the option Screen Time. It will alert you to hold an iPhone with a Face ID at a distance. Go back to Settings and select the option Siri and search. Tap the first option Listen For, and you can select Off or also change to Siri or Hey Siri. Again, go back to the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Music. You can toggle on the crossfade option or toggle it off if the option is turned on. From the Settings menu, tap Sounds and Haptics. Search for the option Ringtone and select any ringtone you want to change. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.